Word problem. The first question is there are 45,236 men, 39,567 women, and 14,562 children in a village. What is the total population of the village? Here, the number of men, number of women, and the number of children of the village are given. So, we have to find out the total population of the village. So, add these three numbers, we get the answer. So, add 45,236, 39,567 and 14,562. So, we get the answer 99,365. Add the three numbers in ones place 6, 7, 2. So we add these three numbers, we get 15. So 5 right here and 1 is carry over tens place. Then add the numbers 1, 3, 6, 6. So add these four numbers, we get the answer 16. So 6 right here and carry over 1 in 100 place. Then add the numbers, we get 13. 3 right here, 1 carry over in thousands place. When add the numbers, then we get 19. 9 right here, 1 carry over in 10,000s place. Then the add numbers, we get 9. So the answer is 99,365. Second problem. The population of town A is 4,56,987 and the population of town B is 7,89,456. Which town has more population and by how much? So, the population of town A and the population of town B are given. We have to find out which town has more population and by how much. So first write the solution. The town A and town B both are 6-digit numbers. Town A 4 in lakh place, town B 7 in lakhs place. So here which number is greater one? 7 lakh is greater. So the town B has more population. Then population of town B is 7,89,456. Then population of town A 44,56,987. Then difference between the population of two towns. Subtract these two numbers, we get the solution. The answer is 3,32,469. Subtract these two numbers. In ones place 6, 7. 7 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we borrow 1 from here. 5 become 4 and 6 become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 cannot subtracted from 4. So we borrow 1 from here. 4 become 3 and here become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then 9 cannot be subtracted from 3. So we borrow 1 from here. 9 become 8. 3 become 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Then 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So we get the answer 3,32,469. Next word problem. In a go down, there are 33,469 bags of rice, 21,345 bags of wheat, and 78,659 bags of gram. How many bags are stored in the go down? Here we have to find out the total number of bags stored in the go down. So the solution is number of rice bags that is given in the question 33,469. Number of wheat bags 21,345. Then number of grams bag 78,659. Then find out the total number of bags stored in the godown. Add the three numbers. We get the solution. The answer is 1,33,473. Add these three numbers, we get 23. 3 right here, carry over 2 in tens place. Then add the 4 numbers, we get 17. 7 right here and carry over 1 right 100 place. Then add the numbers, we get 14. 4 right here and 1 right in the thousands place. Then add the numbers, we get 13. 3 right in thousands place and 1 carry over in 10,000s place. Then the add number, we get 13. Then the next problem, a toy factory produces 7,89,546 toys per month. Out of this, 4,56,987 were sold. How many toys were left? Here we have to find out the number of toys were left in the factory. Then the solution, number of toy produced by a toy factory is 7,89,546. Number of toys were sold 4,56,987. That's are given in the question. Then we have to find out number of toys were left in the factory. So subtract the numbers 7,89,546 minus 4,56,987. So we get the answer 3,32,559. Here 7 cannot be subtracted from 6, so we borrow 1 from here. Then 4 become 3 and 6 become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 cannot be subtracted from 3, so we borrow 1 from here. Then 5 become 4 and 3 become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 9 cannot be subtracted from 4, so take 1 from here. 9 become 8 and 4 become 14. 14 minus 9, we get 5. Then 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So we get the answer 3,32,559. Next question, 32,456 people watched a cricket match on the first day. 17,589 more people watched the match on the second day. How many people in all watched the match in 2 days? Here, people watched a cricket match on the first and second days are given. So we have to find out the total number of people watched the match in 2 days. The solution is number of people watched the match on the first day 32,456. Number of people watched in the match on the second day 17,589. Then we have to find out the total number of people watched the match in 2 days. So 32,456 plus 17,589. We have to find out the total number of people. So add these two numbers, we get the solution 15,014. The numbers in ones place, 9 plus 6, 15. 5 right here, carry over 1 in tens place. Then add the numbers, we get 14. 4 right here, carry over 1 in 100 place. Add the numbers, we get 10. 0 right in 100 place and carry over 1 in thousands place. Then add the numbers, we get 10. 0 right in thousands place and carry over 1 right in the 10,000s place. Then add the numbers, we get 5. Next one is Neha had a coconut grove with 45,689 trees. 7,853 trees fell in a storm. How many trees are left in the grove? So the solution is number of coconut trees in the grove is 45,689. Number of trees fell in the storm 7,853. That's are given in the question. So we have to find out the number of trees left in the grove. 45,689 minus 7,853. So we get the solution 37,836. Subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we borrow 1 from here. 5 become 4 and 6 become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 7. 7 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we borrow 1 from here. 4 become 3 and 4 become 14. So 14 minus 7, 7. 3 minus 0. Here there is no number. So 3 minus 0 is 3. So we get the answer 37,836. Then the last question. The sum of two numbers is 5,56,540 if the one of the numbers is 75,342. Find the other number. So the sum of two numbers are given and one number is also given. So we have to find out the other number. So subtract the number, the total number minus the one number, we get the other number. Solution is sum of two numbers is 5,56,540. One of the number is 75,342. Then we have to find out the other number. So the subtract 5,56,540 minus 75,342. So we get the solution 4,81,198. Subtract these two numbers. 0, 2. 2 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we borrow 1 from here. 4 become 3 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 3 cannot be 4 cannot be subtracted from 3. So we borrow 1 from here. 5 become 4. 3 become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we borrow 1 from here. 4. 5 become 4 and 5 become 15. 15 minus 7. 8. 4 minus 0, 4.